Running.
That's what this one said. He did, sir.
What?
Oh, shit.
It's got voice, Mom. You gotta
Oh.
be careful. It does, really does.
Sorry, son. No, that's for the wedding. So it'll be silent.
All right.
You could get her.
That'll be enough. There goes your finger right up by the lens.
Can you get out of the revolving door?
What's wrong with that thing, sprung?
I hate that door.
You know, the only problem with this
Well, you've got your shorts on. Dorothy, don't have her shorts on. Here for now. Is it really nice, Chuck? How can you tell if it's doing anything?
I wouldn't be allowed to work today.
You got the date set on that, Chuck?
not yet.
Here's garlic pepper. Did you put garlic? Oh, you
I didn't
garlic.
put pepper in yet. Yeah, I put garlic in yet.
What are you doing?
Playing around.
Seasoning the hamburger. Hey, Carol, God bless your heart.
Shit pot.
3, 6, 8. 8 people.
I don't like my picture taken. I'll tell you
Carol,
that.
I'm gonna wrap that thing around you or you know what?
It's just like he's dead. Well,
No.
she
When
likes
you're
Diet
recording-
Pepsi.
If you use the telephoto up
Hey, Eric. Never mind.
Well,
Can
what
you
I
see
do
the food yet, Eric?
Hey, Laura.
if people's far away, that's when you put the zoom back in.
Laura,
Yes.
look at me, Laura.
Get your hand down, Laura. Laura McElroy.
That's all you need.
Don't worry, it won't break. I got it.
Everybody looks like they're well fed. Me too. How much weight did you lose?
About 20 pounds.
How'd you make out on Night Turn?
How come it doesn't have a regular VCR tape?
You put it in
They
there,
are
put it in
nice,
the
aren't they?
Hell no, button ain't even, red light ain't even on.
It is. Hey, you play that in the
It's all right, you'll
VCR.
be home
on
one of these
TV.
days. Pal, then it's my
That's what he
turn.
said. My turn.
Laura, what's your mom wear? Does she know? Or what do you...
You're gonna be set tight in the middle, huh? Laura?
I'm trying to think.
What color?
I think
Should wear gray.
it was a dusty blue.
I want Eric to take me
Not
so
real
I can
fast,
get
don't
something.
pan real fast.
I'm gonna go wear that blue dress again.
Mom, Eric,
How you turn it off?
hit the red button again.
On that thing.
I don't know.
I'm wearing shit brings.
Inside something.
You can tell you wear a watch.
I've seen that.
What did they wear? Oh, that's what it was.
How's that cyst on your arm, Eric?
It's gone.
What? I played.
Popped it.
It didn't come to a head.
No, you press
No,
on
I
them.
pressed in on it. It just popped by itself.
Press on them. They'll
Look
go.
at Wing Ding here.
What? What's the matter?
Who's your son?
Oh, please.
Got his toy out.
Look at me like that. Dave, like a little kid. Look at your son, she says, like look at my brother. Oh, dear. Now, Laura, now that we're all here,
Uh-oh. Yes.
I'm going inside.
Wait,
no, you just stay put. There's just one thing, and I tell him every day.
Imagine that.
I'll just say, there's no woman gonna put up with this business, so you throwing your clothes around.
Mom,
I keep
you
them
both
in
did it for years.
He's my neat pal.
Meat pie.
At least
All I
keep
remember
it
that,
in
girl.
You wake up in the morning, you gotta put your shoes on, he'll be sitting there.
Wherever he, somebody's moving out or in or whatever.
Oh, shit. You got it? What's that truck?
For Eric. Don't forget, Eric, next year, Memorial Day is your turn.
Uh-oh.
All over, Eric. All over.
Over where?
We'll be in the house.
I caught you!
I pulled my flowers up in their roots. Yeah. Oh, Chuck. She could kill you, Chuck. Her back and nothing much. That's good enough for you. That's your glasses.
What a dumbbell.
What's the matter?
Oh, Chuck. Get that.
Such a big sale. Some exclusions apply. See store for details. Grand Central prices effective through January 18th.
West Virginia returns home for a conference matchup with Duquesne on Monday. Their time is
Like my light? P. Why don't be eyes? Hello, be more. Looking in the camera. Here, P. Be eyes. Where's Weedle Weedle? Weedle Weedle. T. Willis. Willis, what are you doing? Hi, Willis. Yeah, well, you're gonna lay down. There's a little Pete too. Where's Mommy at? Here's Mommy over in the corner sitting. See Mommy over in the corner? See you up in the PIs? Hey, P. 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 Wanna watch TV?
Where'd you put the tape in the TV? I see if it works.
That's what I want to get something on here from, see if it does. It'll be awful dark though. I didn't get you, I was getting the mantle. Oh, cute Willis. I see you down there. There's the PIs too. Hi, P. What are we doing? Huh? Hey, P. Where's Bear? There's Bear. He's rubbing on the chair. What are you doing, Bear? I don't know what the date is. I ain't worrying about the dates. I'm looking. I got this far, and I don't know what I'm doing it right. Yeah. I hate to take this Karate Hero because you ain't supposed to. till it's done, I think. Hey, Willis. Wait on. Happy. Pete. Where's Mommy at? Pete. See, we got a new window in the front room. How about that? There's Mommy in the chair. Hi, Mommy. Get up right and see you. All right. Pete. There's old bear.
Siesta is over. Most of their waking hours, however, are spent foraging and feeding to sustain their enormous bulk. They shift from one grazing area to another. The herd followed by an elderly bull.
Tom Tommy. There, Tommy Tommy. Tom Tommy. Pop.
Their eyesight is poor,
My finger's over here.
and elephants use their sense of smell by
Like if my finger was in, I could see it.
to detect
Hey, Pete.
for the presence.
Look here.
Here the trunk serves as a hose, sucking up huge amounts of water and squirting it directly into the mouth. They need to drink as much as 38 gallons a day.
Hey, bear. Well, let's go.
This
There he is.
confounding common elephant knowledge.
Well, you're cute, Willis.
She is drinking directly with her mouth. Elephants need a wide expanse for bathing. They love water and wallowing, rolling over once it takes the weight off their feet. And they are expert swimmers.
Yeah, see your red light on the front?
Yeah.
What the hell's... It's Carol.
That's got voice on it, Dorothy. Carol.
I got her. There it is.
Carol keeps
It's on
saying,
now.
watch, Dorothy. I'm not gonna say anything any worse than you do. Come on now, put it back.
What I
Okay.
want to do, run that film out and see what it does. See if
Yeah.
I want to change it.
Do the dog, son.
He
Please,
is. He got it right on me.
get Winston.
Well, hell, he's doing what he always does.
Oh, Wincy. Hey, Wincy. Oh, Wincy.
You got any tricks?
Yeah.
That's it.
He's
Good, don't you? Huh? Don't you feel good? Huh?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
no.
Whoa, turn around.
Mommy told me to do it, Pete. Yeah, I heard that. Mommy told me to do it. Lay down. I'll put you out. Come on.
They put me back down. Lay me down, cover up.
Lay me down. Lay down. Cover her up.
I'll get the camera bear. Gonna break that. They quit. Get him.
This is balls of fun in Benwood. North Wheeling.
Fuck you, slut.
No boater. We can hardly stay in the water.
I feel like Carl Mansfield.
Who the hell's that?
Took our senior pictures.
that tugboat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really isn't pushing you. You don't have to use no motor now. I see a lot of them at the golf course. Asshole's gonna pull in front of me. Shit face.
What?
Just take it. All right, shut it off. What are them buildings that where adults stay in?
This is a dog track, Wheeling Island.
Halfway up on them.
They moved the little doggies. I was gonna come and get them all.
The Wolf Garage in Wheeling at 46.09 feet at 2:10 a.m. It now stands at 45.72 feet and is slowly falling. The river is cresting now in Moundsville, and we've been unable to get through to that OAS office. Apparently, they're quite busy down there at the time. But further downriver in Tyler County, flooding has not hit hard yet, but the water along the Ohio River is beginning to rise, and officials already have evacuated 27 trailers in Tyler County. Emergency Services Assistant Director there, Chuck Shepard, says the Ohio River is expected to be about 4 feet higher than now when it floods sometime this morning, and that probably will set
That's
down.
Wheeling Island there. That's all underwater. Curve to the Wheeling.
Turn the radio down.
That's Roski Golf Course.
Would you like to go play 9 holes of golf today?
Good little islands over there. That's where all the ducks are at. All this garbage stuff on the road right there. Nice stuff on poles and everything.
That's the road into Tiltonsville. Where you see them little bumps. Where's the hole at?
Yeah.
First hole at?
Don't ask me. Right here where this building is.
Look at a crow sitting there.
There's all your ducks up there. There's the top of that truck sticking out there. That must be a hoopy truck.
Check out the top of the truck.
Look at all the ducks over there.
Look at all the ducks over there on the island. Aw, they can't get over here. There's the clubhouse. Look at them out in the water. Poor little things. Move forward.
Go high enough so you can get clear across there, man.
I got it. can't tell where the river ends and the golf course begins. See, I told you we was flooded.
Check that sign out right there. How far it's up on that sign?
Check out the sign.
There's a bunch of ducks flying. Look at them.
Oh, my hands froze.
Watch, I got the Tiltonville Boat Arena.
Here's the marina in Rayland. Looks like an ice skating rink now.
And I bought an people and put up a new house. Jesus.
I bet they got water in the basement. They got the porch light on there expecting company by boat. This is the Ohio River at its best. It's gone down a little bit because you can see stuff in the trees. We're on the Vermont Road. It's the road going into Mingo. Yeah. This is Brent. That's where they hold the street fair.
That's how high it was. You can see the ice on the fence.
Slow way down now, honey. This is the north end of Brant, or Raylan. There's a railroad crossing. Them lights was on last night when I come home from work.
Well, I did pretty good. The balloons in the corner.
Put the candles in the corner where there ain't no balloons.
I get to eat them balloons.
Are they eatable?
Candles up, okay?
Oh my God, this thing's getting hot. Just light that thing.
Here.
Is it playing, Melanie?
Not yet, I ain't waiting.
Oh, okay.
He's not coming, tell him come on.
Here you go.
I'm gonna blow it.
What was that?
This camera?
A candle? I'll be go to hell.
She lit it and started playing.
After you lay it, it'll play.
I don't believe that.
Happy birthday to me! Time to blow out. Happy birthday to me! Time to blow him out now.
Blow.
Blow on him. Blow the candles out.
Blow hard. Well, come on, blow hard.
Blow hard. Help him, Zach.
Blow him out.
Suckers out. He did it.
Okay.
He's spitting on him.
Well, Jesus Christ, man, candles, you have to.
I'll come back with it.
You ain't blowing hard enough. Get this over, hurry up.
The man.
Well, what's wrong with that thing? They won't go out.
He needs to look at his nose. I think
He's got snot blowing.
Well, Christ, he has to blow hard. But right his head. Anything.
Like my
Does that make you mad?
happy birthday.
Look at Grandma.
I think
He's got smoke blowing.
Well, Christ, he has to blow hard. But right his head. Anything.
like my
Does that make you mad?
happy birthday.
Look at Grandma.
Tell Grandma.
I ain't your grandma, you
Tell
big
Grandma
dummy.
how old you are.
Toby,
Well, you have to wait till that
How
thing
old
quits
are you?
flying before you can eat that cake. Christ, we'll starve to death.
Anthony, how old are you?
Shut the hell up.
Poor Anthony.
God damn.
No, we gotta listen to it on that camera. As bad as I am.
Open your card up.
It ain't supposed to keep playing. It's supposed to shut off once you blow it out.
Well, that's a nice way. That feels like a Christmas present the way you open them.
The bear. Yeah.
Ain't that pretty?
that's that
Open
kid.
it up, see if there's anything inside. Oh, Jesus.
Uh-oh.
I lost it.
Holy moly!
Muddy.
Rich bug!
Muddy.
All right. I mean, you can go out and get drunk, can't we?
Hey, give me a truck. That's
Here it
it.
is.
Anthony, look here. Hey, look. Breaking them. Now, like, I'm like nothing. I'll probably start playing with the garbage. Let me go one. Here's one. Hey! What's this? A dumper truck. A dumper truck. Where?
Looky here.
Vicky doesn't go right.
I used to have one that does one.
Hey, I don't remember.
I used to have one that does.
You got one of these, huh?
I used to have
Your
one.
balloons in your car, you look like you just got married.
Tell Carol that's the clown car.
Yeah, there's one. Yeah, in the bush away. Okay.
What'd you get, Zach?
Money.
All right.
You gonna share it?
Yeah. That's for this. And that. Now, we're all done.
Uh-oh, she smacked him.
Pittsburgh. We've grown and changed as fast as our people could develop new ideas and technology. Now,
You don't walk,
the
see?
world's largest aluminum company with
Keto.
Your job is to keep your mouth shut and be sure not to lose the ring, and that is all.
Okay. You know, seriously, I'm on your chest.
Open it. I want to show everybody.
No?
Yeah.
Everybody, we're gonna meet in the living room.
Was it a video?
Uh-huh.
Everybody, come on. Come on.
P.
We'll play. It's only about 2 hours away.
P.I.
Every year or so, we're going to go back there for a second.
What are you doing?
Pretty romantic, huh? You put it this way. We almost named our child Starlight Inn.
Door guy. Bust down the door.
And it's rabbit! Wall-to-wall rabbit!
This dirtbag makes $5 grand a week. He's selling drugs and he's got his girlfriend raising rabbits for pin money. What a guy.
That's the old days on the force.
Ah, you young guys have got to get up in the morning and go to work. Me, I'm a man of leisure. How's my girl?
You look beautiful.
Just like
Get her going. Get her going like you look stupid.
Ready?
You better run to the store.
Right? I'll go for you. Fine. Going. Going. Food's great, Marty.
Oh, glad you learned.
Cindy, wanna go for a ride?
What's it doing to you?
These operators were supposed to be sent Thursday out.
Sorry, Ed, I didn't realize.
Well, the threads are too thin. That's why the caps don't sit properly. What are the specs called for? I want what we ordered.
Well, we're closed now. It's Saturday.
Well, you go down there first thing Monday morning and you tell those bastards to be glad to be dealing with you because they don't want to see me come down there. Right? All right, listen, I don't want to tell Mommy we stopped right here.
I know.
You know how she likes to worry.
Yeah. We're out of soda, Laurie.
Pissing her off, Mom. Jump up and grab you in a minute. Get through him.
Don't like you a tripod stand up on. We would have to hold it. They're wrong way front.
Birdie. Birdie.
What do you do? Also, you can stick it on the wall. You know, you can do target.
That's right. And you can throw it at the backhand without hurting it, because that is the hitting way. That one you would hurt it.
Looks like it's been.
Tommy.
That's about a 25-year-old shooter.
Tommy.
Kind of an old staple in the way for big fish or
And a bunch more here. I'll let you been down and pick up the Mr.
Tommy.
Fish Lure.
What are you doing?
yeah, it's fun for them. A short corner big fish that fish like these.
Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. Tommy.
Mr. Congeniality himself, that is Craig O'Neill. You can
Tommy.
tomorrow morning over on ESPN2 Outdoors. This ESPN Outdoors will be back with Jimmy Houston bass fishing in Lake Fork in Texas right after this.
In my garage, you'll find everything from a 5-horsepower lawnmower to a 5,000-horsepower dredge. Whether the guys are racing to finish the line or racing at the track, they choose Champion Spark Plug.
Years since it was built. You'll remember last year he pulled out an 11
Tommy.
pound plus bass, and he repeat this year. We'll find out next on Jimmy Houston Outdoors.
Tommy.
Yes, do it, baby. You like that little about another thing, look.
Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy.